Hello, my name is Isaiah. The weather in Toronto, Canada is currently 70 degrees Fahrenheit. What causes a blizzard? For a blizzard to form, warm air must rise over cold air. There are two ways that this may happen. Winds pull cold air toward the equator from the poles and bring warm air toward the poles from the equator. When warm air and cold air are brought together, a front is formed and precipitation occurs.
Do you know how to prepare for a blizzard? You have to make sure you have at least 3 days supply of non-perishable foods, water, first aids, flashlight, candles, and any needed medication. The climate, like during a blizzard, is very bad. Severe blizzards have winds that are over 72 kilometers per hour with temperatures of 10 Fahrenheit or lower.
A blizzard must last over 3 hours. We average 10.7 blizzards a year. 400 deaths are caused by a blizzard for each one.